This is a bottle of Hagerty's Silversmiths Polish, and it's great if you want to clean silver plate, or gold jewelry, or other items such as this one, because you may have some of those old silver things hanging around. So I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing that you do is you shake it up, and then you use a nice soft cloth. So I'm going to use a cloth like this, and I'm just going to put a little bit on it. And I'm going to put it on here and just rub it a little bit. And then what it says to do is just leave it for about a minute. And then you can either brush it off or you can rinse it off. So already you can see the difference right here. So I'm just going to leave that off for a minute. And then you can also clean jewelry. So I've got this silver bracelet right here. So I'm going to put a little bit more on. Silver always tarnishes, but it just comes right off with this. And then you always want to use a soft cloth to dry it off with. It's going to be nice and shiny. I love it. But this works so well. This stuff really came in handy during the holidays. Here are my 2 items all cleaned up, and they look fabulous.